I try to change it to hundreds, like that.
What the? Wait, hold on. Hold on. Show me. Can you tell me how you did that, bro? Please tell me how you did that.
That's it. That's just magic. All right, I'll show you something real quick. I do it for YouTube, so if you want to be on my channel or not, but I'll show you something real quick.
I'll subscribe.
All right, cool, man. I appreciate that. So I got this wallet, right? And I keep 5 cards in it. And the only other thing I keep in it is a business card and a $100 bill. I keep the $100 bill because I always bet people that I bet them $100 that I already know what card they're going to pick before they pick it, right? And obviously I can't really bet you because we're not in person, but what if I told you I already know what card you're going to pick?
Okay.
All right, so just go ahead and name any one of these cards. You got 4 of spades, 2 of hearts, jack of diamonds, king of spades, and 9 of clubs.
I say it out loud?
Yep. Yeah, just say it.
2 of hearts.
2 of hearts?
Yep.
All right, so remember how I said I always bet people that I always know what card they're going to pick, right? So look. You said the 2 of hearts, right? It's the only card that's different.
Damn. How'd you know?
I don't know, man. It's just something. It's just something that just works, man. I don't know how I do it. I really don't.
Alright, I'm gonna give you. I've just subscribed to your YouTube.
Sweet. I appreciate that, man.
Of course, man.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, buddy.
Yep.
So I got $5, right?
Uh-huh.
All right. So if you could do whatever you wanted with $5 magically, what would you do with it?
I would turn it into more money.
Turn it into more money?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much that's like what I'm thinking too. I just snap my fingers and
What the
turn it into more money.
heck? How the heck did you do that?
That's what magic's all about, man. That's how I make money.
That's wild, bro.
Became a magician just to make money. No, I'm just playing.
Okay, well that was good.
Nah, but seriously though, man, like obviously it's illegal, so I can't really get caught doing that. So when I gotta snap my fingers and it's back to one.
What?
So.
Dude, that was sick.
Thanks, man.
I'm kind of baffled. I don't know what to think about that.
I do appreciate that, man. It's like an observation test. You just have to. I'll give you 5 seconds, and you just have to try to take in as much information as you can about these cards. All right. All right. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? All right.
Yeah.
So what was the bottom card?
Alright, gotcha.
Did you see what card was on bottom?
I mean, they were all the same card.
Well, it was actually an ace on bottom. Did you notice what color they were on the back?
This is white on the back. Or the black with the white rim.
Yeah, they're actually red. But if you missed that, you probably missed the royal flush too.
Dude, no. How did you do that, dude? That's crazy.
Just sleight of hand.
That's crazy.
Sleight of hand, man. All right.
You famous?
I wouldn't say famous. I got like 1.2K subs. All right, so just tell me like when to stop on whatever card you want.
Stop.
On the 6 or the ace?
The 8.
The ace of hearts?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So watch this. Take the ace of hearts, right? This is kind of weird, but look, I'm gonna put it somewhere in the middle of the deck. And what's kind of crazy is this is what I do. So I do like sleight of hand. So that's the two of hearts on top, right? Watch. If I snap my fingers, look, the ace comes back up. Kind of crazy, right? It's just sleight of hand. Watch, I'll actually, you know what? I'll actually show you again. Look. So we'll take your ace, and you know what? Watch this. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the middle of the deck, right about right there. You see the middle right there? All right. So watch. If I snap my fingers, look, it actually jumps under the box. I'll show you one more time. So watch. Now this was, you'll actually see it jump this time, okay? It's a little bit hard to follow if you don't know what to expect. So watch. The ace of hearts, right? See it sticking out right there? Watch. If you focus here, you'll actually see it jump. Ready? See it? Watch. Actually, it went too high and ended up here in my mouth. It's a sleight of hand. Sleight of hand. Yep. I just taught myself. Took me a couple years. You guys want to see something? You guys want to see something kind of crazy?
Yeah.
All right, check this out. Look, this is kind of crazy. This is people usually freak out a lot over this. So I got $5, right? If you could do whatever you wanted with $5, what would you do? Well, let me show you. This is what I do. Whenever I want more money, right? I just snap my fingers and look.
What the fuck? Oh, I heard the cloud.
Comes 500.
You gonna snap your fingers and get my money? You gonna give me some money?
Well, the only problem with this is it's illegal, and whenever like the government comes along, you know, then I have to snap my fingers and change it back.
Oh my god. I'm about to follow you on YouTube.
Cool, I appreciate it. Now, if you could do whatever you wanted with $5, what would you do with it?
Give it to a homeless person.
Give it to a homeless person? Well, this is what I usually do with my money. Whenever I have like a couple dollars like this, I just snap my fingers like that. You see it actually changes into hundreds. Yeah.
What the heck? Wait.
Pretty crazy, right?
Wait. Show it. Can you show that again?
Show it again? I mean, I already changed it to hundreds. Like, there's no going back.
Do you have other $5?
Huh?
Do you have other $5?
I don't think I do, actually. I can show you another trick, though.
Yes. Jinx, double jinx.
Okay. All right, so what if I told you guys that I already know what card you're going to choose before you do? That'd probably be
I think.
hard to believe, right? So I got this wallet like a long time ago, and for some reason, it's like super lucky because I actually keep a $100 bill inside here. I don't know if you can see right there. I got a $100 bill, and I always bet people $100 that I already know what card they're going to pick out of these 5 cards. So we got the 4 of spades, the 2 of hearts, the jack of diamonds, the king of spades, and the 9 of clubs. Okay? So just name any one of these cards. The jack of diamonds? All right, now do you want to change your mind?
No.
So you want the Jack of Diamonds? All right, so remember how I said I had a $100 bill inside the wallet? Inside the $100 bill, I actually keep one card. Jack of Diamonds. That's how I already knew what card you were going to pick.
What the heck?
Pretty crazy, right?
Yes.
Yeah.